Hello, welcome back to, we're doing the greetings grind. I had to watch a video to get some hearts back because I kept dying, or whatever you call it, suffering. Salut! Ça va? So here we are, on a journée to learn French. Salut Emily, ça va? Ça va bien, merci. Et toi? I'm doing good, thank you. And you? Informal.
Eh,
Eh. That sounds like the E.
eh,
Eh. I guess it's really important to learn the sounds. Bonsoir, Patricia. Comment ça va? Bonsoir. That's evening, right? Très bien, merci et toi. No, salut, une orange. C'est très bien. Bonjour, Patricia. Comment ça va? She's asking if you're fine, so yeah. Très bien, merci. Et toi?
Merci to cook.
And oui, et toi? Whoa! I'm just speaking of. Wow, I just translated without even thinking about it. So, oui.
Oui.
Et toi? Et toi?
toi,
Oui, et toi? Oh, this Duolingo is fun. Si.
si,
Si, that's to like. Sounds like Spanish or something.
salut, salut, Paul,
Salut, Paul. Okay, hello, Paul, or goodbye, Paul. Salut, Paul. Alright, salut, Paul. Digging it.
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir. I can't speak right now because it's going to ruin the recording. We know that.
bonsoir,
Bonsoir, type the English. Bonsoir is good night. Good evening. Bonne nuit is good night. So bonsoir. Good evening. Good evening. Bonsoir. Yeah. I am doing very well. Ça va très bien. T-R, is it E, special E? Ça va très bien. Wait, why is that? Oh yeah, because it's cut off, so. I put the tick, man. I put a dot. Ça va très bien. I thought it was the slant thing. I don't know. Because it gets cut off. I don't
ça
know.
va très bien, merci,
Ça va très bien. Merci. Why did that sound like a song? Say that again.
ça,
I want to hear it all, man.
ça va très bien, merci,
Ça va très bien. Merci. Okay, it's going very good. Thank you. I'm very good. Whoa, that is not what I typed. Where's the, I'm very good. Thanks. Ça va très bien. Merci.
Oh yeah.
Bien, merci.
Bien. Merci. Good, thanks. Good, thanks.
Tama.
Gudatama. Good, thanks. Or thank you. Ooh, it's getting a little. They're lenient.
salut Marie, comment ça va?
Salut, Mary. Comment ça va? Hello, Mary. How are you doing? Well, I was supposed to translate. Type the French you hear. Ooh, I almost messed up. Wow, that's a long time.
Salut Marie, comment ça va?
Salut, Marie. Well, come on. I'm gonna sneeze. I don't want to sneeze. Salut Marie, comment ça va? Ça va très bien, et toi? Comment ça va? Salut Marie. So they said salut, so it's kind of informal. So I'm gonna say et toi. I don't know if that's informal or formal. I don't know. T-O-I. So I just feel like saying that, alright? Learn the grammar rules as I go. Good evening. Are you doing well? Bonsoir. Bonsoiré. No, bonsoir. Ça va bien? So, bonsoir. S-O-I-R. Ça va. Ça va. Are you doing well? Ça va. Just straight up ça va, right? Ça va. Not. Ça va. I gotta put bien. That guy, what's his name? Michelle Thomas, he said you could just say ça va. So I've been listening to lots of stuff. I'm not just doing these lessons, man. This is just like the overflow of the deep courses that I'm doing. Ça va bien? It's question mark, bro. What? What did I do wrong? Oh. Bonsoir. I'm a French gringo. Gringo is Spanish for something. I don't even know what it means. It's just some weird dude trying to learn a language or whatever. Bonsoir. I knew that, man. Bonsoir. Ça va bien? Why do they put a space for the question mark? Come on, guys. Oh. I got 2 left. I watched a couple ads when you guys are not around. I'm doing very well. Thank you. Ça va très bien. I know, you gotta watch when you do that if you got like a cold or something. Yeah. Ça va très with the E with the not that one. Ça va très bien. Ça va très bien. Merci. I don't know if it's capital. M-E-R-C-I. Ça va très bien, merci. Oh, I gotta remember to double check my spelling. Ça va, not ça très bien, merci. Ça va très bien, merci. Oh, good evening. Are you doing well? Bonsoir, which is one type of French translation. So, bonsoir. Is that how you spell it? Bonsoir. Ça va bien? Oops. Ça va bien? Bonsoir. Ça va bien? Why do I not feel pleased? Okay. 2 in a row. Oh, man. That was tougher. That was tougher than it should have been. Tougher. I don't even know if that's a word. More tough than it should have been. Au revoir.